Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Iqbal Alam. Today I am going to share my experience. Actually, one of my subscriber asked to create this triangle shapes and how we can create. So I'm going to share my experience and how we can create. So today I'm going to start this. So let's start. So take rectangle tool from here and draw holding control this circle and just double click in the middle. This handle can rotate 90 degree. Take shape tool and select one node and second node and turn it little curve. See, this I have done. Same, just hold control and right click to one more copy here and same thing, select this rectangle and hold control and right click to copy one more and take shape tool, and this zone can be corner. So control Q to curve and double click here and double click here to make a node and select this node and this break curve and use control K, or here you can break apart and select holding shift this corner and delete this. So this is the corner part. Just take it down little more left side this arrow and take this side. Here we can line convert into dotted line and you can choose your own how you want to like take. So here I have created that shape and take one color, any of them. I have taken a yellow and upper side is white. And one more thing is that here is the, you can give little drop shadow so that it can white will be visible. So I have taken drop shadow and here I have did shadow. We can balance the shadow, we can little this. So this is I have created. So take this here, take one ellipse tool, circle in the center and select all holding this and do control G for glue and little smaller this circle. Select this object and select circle and do center, C for center. Here I double click and make a rule from top and from left. This is the center of circle. Select this and double click and this vanishing point drag it to here middle. See here, and this arrow, the rounder key, control and hold it and right click to copy this and Control R for repeat. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this area has been created, and delete this circle, and you can put this icon in the all boxes. So you can change the individually color. Hold control and select that part and change it to color. I'm doing the same thing. You can repeat it. So this is done. We can put this icon in the all circle and rectangle. So we can ungroup this, control U and select icon and select the rectangle. C and E for vertical, C for center. So this is not visible, so control change it and select all this and shift page up. Select this icon and select this. Shift E, select this icon, select this. CE, select this icon, shift this. You can little manage that shape little smaller. Control R for same repeat. This is also. So this I have created. You can see this, and you want to try like that, and you want to make same as you want. So this I have created. I will show you on the full screen. Shift F2 and F9. I hope you will love these ideas, the whole things. If you are sometime visited my channel, just do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the new notification. So for next further I will see this. Thank you so much.